Welcome to our channel Cloud Institution. So from this video, so we're going to start a new series. Okay, so which is kind of a real-time interview question series. So today we are going to start with the security groups. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about one of the very interesting and very important real-time interview questions on security group. Okay, so the question will be, okay, so what does /32 CID annotation range mean in security group? Okay, so most of the times, we'll be giving a security, so group ranges. Like for example, a security group will never accept, the individual IP address, right? So we need to give us IP address range of IP address. For example, is 10.0.0.0/24, which means that it will going to get that complete. So now, what happens if you can give /32 CID annotation? Okay, so we're going to see that in our real time. Okay, so let's go back to our EC2 instance. Okay, so this is this EC2 console, as you guys know. Now, if you can see here, I don't have any instances. Okay, so for example, I wanted to create a security group. Okay, I want to create a security group. Okay, so there is already a default security group is there. Okay, so I'm going to create a security group. The security group can be, my test, my cloud SG. Okay, so my cloud institution SG security group. Okay, so all these things is not required. Okay, I'm going to add inbound rule. Okay, I'm going to add inbound rule. I'm going to choose. Okay, so I'm going to choose custom TCP, and then the port range can be, for example, I want to allow 22, SSH connection to /32. What do you mean by /32? Okay, as you can see here, /32, right? So likewise, what is the most of the times we used for /32? Okay, for example, I want to allow for one single IP addresses. Okay, so for example, I want to allow 192.168 dot 168 dot 10.1, for example, right? So this is something, some kind of a IP address changes. So if you can give like this, if you want to give to our for my single IP, a single system. For example, I have my system. I wanted to connect. I want to enable the SSH connectivity only for this machine. Okay, so in this case, it is not possible for us to do that. So you cannot give like this. Okay, so if you can give like this, what happens is that the CID block, the security group ID, or a prefix list must be specified. So for that, what you have to do is you have to give a range of /32. So what do you mean by, now you tell me what do you mean by /32? Okay, so /32 is nothing but represents a single IP addresses. Okay, for example, if you have your own IP address for the router. Okay, for example, if in your company you wanted to allow the SSH connectivity to this particular, for all the systems, whatever is connected to your router. Okay, if you want to give like that, so you can enable the IP addresses, so enable the SSH connectivity through the router from this particular IP range. Okay, so this is what it means. Okay, so yeah, so if anybody asks you that, what is /32 means, like you have to be explaining all these things. Okay, so now we can see what the answer will be. So /32, so this notation refers to a single IP addresses. Okay, if you want to enable the security group to a single IP addresses, you have to give a notation like /32. Okay, so yeah, so hope this one was really helpful for you. Okay, so please follow our YouTube channel and Instagram pages. Okay, so if you like more, if you wanted to learn more videos like this one, so we'll be posting more videos on and off like this. Okay, so thank you.